Welcome to the Daily Intelligence Brief from IntelStor for the 30th of December 2024. In today's top renewable energy news, China's Jushi Group plans to invest 5.8 billion yuan to build a glass fiber production line in support of manufacturing fiberglass for wind turbine blades. Their estimated production capacity will support 500 megawatts of wind power projects on an annual basis. China's glass fiber industry currently accounts for more than 70% of the global glass fiber production capacity, making it the world's largest glass fiber producer and consumer. Vestas Development, a subsidiary of Vestas Wind Systems, has sold a 277-megawatt wind power project portfolio in Italy. The projects included in the portfolio have been developed by Vestas and are designed for Vestas technology, ensuring that a turbine supply contract as well as a long-term maintenance agreement will be subsequently signed with the asset purchasers. JSW Energy will acquire the subsidiaries of Indian renewable energy platform O2 Power Pooling, which holds a portfolio with about 4.7 gigawatts of renewable energy assets. It is JSW Energy's largest purchase to date, giving the platform an enterprise value of roughly 124.68 billion Indian rupees, according to a bourse filing on Friday. This project pipeline includes 2,259 megawatts, which will be brought online by June 2025, along with another 1,463 megawatts, which is currently still under construction, and 947 megawatts, which is still in the development and consenting pipeline. Poland held a total of 7 renewable power auctions in December, of which only 2 were resolved, essentially contracting just 36% of the electricity offered for sale. The country's Energy Regulatory Office announced that the 2 successful auctions contracted over 16 terawatt-hours of electricity with a total value of around 5.1 billion zlotys, out of 44.6 terawatt-hours of total green energy allocated for sale in all 7 auctions. You can learn more about all of IntelStor's market and sales intelligence offerings at www.intelstor.com and subscribe to our channel today.